So we're gonna head to the radio station and do an interview, speak a little bit about Mong Idol, and hopefully do a live performance. So we're at the radio station with G and Chi, right?
Yes.
Coming up with questions for free tickets.
Okay.
So we got done with the first segment. Currently just warming up for a live performance.
And which was brilliant, magnificent, and definitely breathtaking. And before time ends,
sound like student union. Tiagusahai Ochodo Pityawa sponsors from M150, Sunfat, Law Offices of Timothy Marks, Third Rock Entertainment.
So being out here, it's a great time to get fat. So last night I ordered a large pizza, stuffed crust, breadsticks, 2-liter pop. Definitely couldn't finish it, but you know, that's a lot of food for one person. I'm currently right now having some checkers, you know, with fries. And California food is just treating me well. It's delicious. Yes, it is. So I'm video camming Collier, Johnny Lowe, Charles Vang. But yeah, go ahead, Johnny. Share the song with us. Charles Vang singing my song. It's amazing. This is so awesome. We're here to visit my mom in these small apartments. It's about 100-something degrees out here today. What the hell happened here? It's my little brother, Nathan. Say hello.
Hello, mother.
What is your name?
My name's Nathan Ving.
How old are you?
7 years old.
7? Where's all your teeth?
it's growing.
Hey, my mom, sister.
I draw my vampire.
Vampire teeth. Okay. Another hot day, California. Got done shopping at the mall. Forever 21 actually got guy clothes. Yeah. 100 degrees. Getting some yummy food at, what is this place called? Robertito's. Quesadillas.
What's this?
We'll walk to Latino Discount.
Putting Lucas in here.
Walking around the neighborhoods of Fresno, California. It's a little ghetto, but back at Fresno State for rehearsals for Mong Idol 2011 at Satellite Student Union Building, where the event is held at. So the weather's been beautiful, man. No complaints or nothing. I guess it could be a little hot, but it's summer, so I can't complain. And yeah, compared to what I've been hearing on Facebook, that it's like 70 degrees back at home and raining and whatnot, so kind of glad I'm enjoying this summer weather a little bit. So we're here at the Satellite Student Union where Mong Idol will be held tomorrow, 6 o'clock Pacific time, and should be fun. Rehearsals right now. That was rehearsals. Julie Vang was the one that was singing "This Is Me" by Demi Lovato, and honestly, she's my favorite singer. So of the group at Mong Idol. Currently gonna get ready and go to Porterville, California and fellowship with the youth there too, I guess. And then tomorrow is the big day. So we are currently headed to Porterville with the family, and my first time seeing mountains, cattle, which is pretty amazing. So we just went through a roller coaster ride on this road, which is freaky as ever, but it's kind of nice.